Looking for bedroom wallpaper ideas? There are so many new ways to use wallpaper in your bedroom. No longer constrained to 4 matching walls and state prints. The latest wallpaper design offers so much more and are no longer just for your walls. If you are looking for the striking bedroom ideas, wallpaper can be winning ingredient. Which wallpaper is best for a bedroom? The choice of paper for a bedroom is no different to that of a living room or any other standard room. It's only necessary to choose a different quality or type of paper if the room is humid, etc. Same when choosing a bathroom wallpaper. When it comes to choosing a bedroom wallpaper, it's simply a matter of taste. We tend to advise sticking to a feather wall when it comes to using bedroom wallpaper. To stop the look from the feeling too heavy, typically if this is a wall which the bed is against, you can be more daring with the pattern. It won't prove too distracting once you are in bed, trying to win the mind down for the restful night's sleep. I'm gonna talk about all in this video. Watch the video till end to get the most useful tip. It's not delay, we will get into a video. Before that, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Hi, this is Yoga, your interior design mentor from IDI. Creating a captivating bed head panel. Think outside the box when it comes to creating a feather wall. Make a boutique hotel style design future by hanging a couple of drops of a striking wallpaper behind it. Make it roughly a foot wider than the headboard to the frame it perfectly. To really add a design wow factor, create neat raised edges with a wooden batten covered in matching fabric. But this finish is optional if you want less work. Make it magical with metallic wallpaper. Adding pattern is a great way to captivate. Adding pattern in the metallic finish is a great way to grab even more attention. Thanks to its high shine, natural metallic wallpaper can enhance pattern further. Reflective wallpaper design helps to bounce light around the room to create an airy vibe. Ideal is used in a smaller bedroom. Match metallic wallpaper design with ultra glossy accessories such as mirrored furniture and metal bedside lamp to create the glam decor. Pattern match to build on the screen. Coordination is a match made in heaven. When it comes to the bedroom decor, whether it's by a dominant color or by a way of pattern, you can tie the whole decorating scheme together by effortlessly. To create a cohesive and style look, match your wallpaper print to that of your bedding. Add accent color with the cushion and rugs to another element of interest. Bring the outside in with foliage. Welcome the outside with a truthfully illustrated wallpaper design. The trend for the plant in the bedroom is growing. One excuse is the fun. This ivy print wallpaper helps to add a green vibe, opening up with a decorate to incorporate feather touches of foliage and greenery. Accessorize with a feather front prints and ivy motif on cushion and artwork to enhance the look. Make it monochrome. Black and white is a timeless choice for making a statement with your wallpaper, especially if it is famous Cole and Son Hood's wallpaper. A future wallpaper and a monochrome print work perfectly in the bedroom setting, where you can bring in color through other elements such as bedding, cushion and even bedside table. It's a great way to incorporate pattern without overpowering with color. Pick a toning floral, add some flower power to your scheme with the statement wallpaper in a bold floral print. This is a strong look, so be warned. You need to accessorize with a caution. Match the background tone in the room to those on the wallpaper and use the color of the flower as the accent shade. Try an all white style bed paired with black bedside table and table lamp. Foreground your walls. When it comes to bedroom walls, making an impact can be as important as choosing a calming color palette. Pick a wallpaper design that manages to do both, one that is striking and interesting, yet pale and gentle enough not to overwhelm the space. Mix and match textures, shades and pattern across soft furnishing. Mesmerize with pattern. Create an integrated look of layered graphic by hanging a ribbon pattern wallpaper behind a smaller scale headboard fabric. Each in a subtle complementary colors, the fading effect of the wallpaper pattern pleases the eye and softens the skin. Pick accessories that won't distract from the main event, such as glass table lamps and pure white bed linen. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.